Hello. Sometimes you might face this issue that the print head is scratching the print. You'll find some scratches on this. So while the print is going on, what happens is this head scratches over the print. So a quick way to do it, you can see this. So somewhere you'll see that the head is scratching the print. So this is because of either you're not using good bed, or there is some dust below the print head. So how to do that, how to clean that, I'll show you. Just switch the printer on, and once this head starts moving, remove this cable directly, so that you'll be able to move the head like this. Okay, now what we are going to do is we'll be adding like one tissue paper. This is a head cleaning solution. Just put it below the, just put it like this. Okay. See how to keep it. Just put it like this. Add some solution on it. Okay. Add some solution. And just move this head. And just move this head on the tissue paper. So this is how you will clean the area below the head. You can see this. This is stuck below the head. So this is what that creates a problem. So we'll do it once again. Tissue. Or is it required or not? Okay. One more thing that you can do is, here you can find one blade. Just take it up. Just this blade, a rubber blade. You just have to push it like this and take this blade up. So you have to clean this bed also. You can see this. You have to clean this bed also. It doesn't let the head clean properly. So you have to remove this additional ink all around the. This is but obvious if you are using good quality inks, thick inks, you are about to face this issue. So you have to clean this bed also, the blade also. Sit down. This is how you can just slide this blade. It's very easy task. You can also replace this blade very easily. You have to clean this blade, because this wipes the additional amount of ink from your printer head. So you have to remove this additional ink that is spread outside this on the surface of this bed, on this blade. Okay, just let me do it once again. So this kind of waste ink, and this is also a waste ink actually, because the head wipes this blade. Okay. It's quite clean now. So maintaining these printers is absolutely easy. You just have to understand exactly क्या problem आ रहा है, क्या नहीं आ रहा है. You just will do the head cleaning once again. And if this is not working, you simply remove the head. Simply unlock this. यहाँ पर screw है, वहाँ पर screw निकाल के just take it up and clean it. We'll repeat the first process again. Do it 2-3 times. Better. And tissue is not gonna harm your head if you have applied a solution on it. There are special solutions available for this. Just you can see from this side there is some dust, waste ink on the head, and I'm just removing it. थोड़ा सा इसको थिक कर देते हैं. So it's as simple as this. Now let's switch the printer on and try one more print. Let me do it, and I'll again start the video. Now I've inserted paper. Now let's clean the head once again. Long press this button. This is a roll printer with forward reverse module, so you have these buttons on it. Always make sure whenever you clean the head, from the ink waste pipe there is ink coming out. And see, you can see the movement of the blade, I guess. Yes, that blade is coming up and down. It wipes the head, and I'm sure that our head is clean now. Whenever you find some dots on the printer, these dots are on the print. These dots are because of these wheels. On the wheels, if your wheels are not clean, these wheels should be very clean. Otherwise, वो dots आएंगे आपकी print पे. So this kind of maintenance you have to keep doing. We continuously print on this printer, so almost 100 sheets a day, sometimes in the night. So we do it after 10 days. After every 10 days we clean the head like this, the head surrounding area. Okay, the head cleaning is done, I guess. No. Also, you have to make sure this gap should not be like this, should not be like this, the bed should not be like this, it should be kept little bit downside, थोड़ा सा जैसे पेपर आउट आता है, पेपर आउट होने के बाद थोड़ा सा इसको गैप चाहिए. So what you can do, you can add 3 mm ply below the printer leg, or you can simply reduce the height of this bed. So it's easy to add beds below the printer, the legs below, the 3 mm ply below the printer. So always keep this area clean. See, this is a normal 1800 printer, and I actually use it like a industrial printer. That's the reason we keep printers like this. And yes, this is also a working printer. So there is no rocket science with these 1800 printers. You just have to understand issue क्यों आया है और issue को resolve कैसे करना है. So there are very simple steps. Okay, let me finish with the head cleaning, then I'll again start with the video. Yeah. So okay, we have started printing. See the white density. So these are very simple things you can take care of. And whatever printer it is, whether it's 30,000 rupees printer, 1800, 805, whatever it is, or you buy industrial printer, you have to do it. So this is a part of your printing process: cleaning the head, cleaning the blades, keeping the printer clean. I don't call these things as a maintenance part. This is a printing part only. Okay, you can see there is no scratch, nothing. So we just cleaned this blade. We cleaned the area surrounding the printer, surrounding the head. So that's it. So thank you once again. Prabodh here from Creative Digilabs Private Limited, a name, a brand you can trust. Thank you.